moving on. Hey y'all, welcome back to Segments with Seabree. Excuse my face and my hair, but I did just get done working out. New year, new me, body goals, all of that, blah blah blah. But it's unboxing time, so let's see what Curlbox sent us this month. So y'all know I have to start with the pamphlet appreciation, right? 1 second. Then of course we gotta flip it to the inside. So this one we received an OGX basically takeover / collection. This says that it's 3 things in here, y'all, and it says refresh your body, revive your fitness, and reset your diet. So comment below if you guys set any New Year's resolutions, or if you're doing anything fitness related, body related, any drastic haircuts, color changes, anything that you have planned for this year. So this is the OGX collection. These are products that cleanse and support your strong start to the new year. So let's see what we got. So I took everything out the box already. And let's start with the shampoo and conditioner, because this is definitely the first step in my wash day process, is the shampoo and the conditioner. So the shampoo is a purifying charcoal detox shampoo. It purifies your prettiest strands with clarity, blend infused with coconut charcoal and canolan clay. I've never heard of that one before. Bust through the buildup and rescue dull, congested, stressed, or tress for a deep clean. No stripping here. This blends only leave shine. And then on the back it says why you want it, and then it says it's a detox to your hair. So that was definitely like a product giveaway. And then the conditioner states that it's the same thing in here from the shampoo. And then it's a purifying charcoal detox conditioner as well. So these two, full size, of course, 13 fluid ounces. And let me smell them real quick. It smells good to me. Let me smell this conditioner. Now the conditioner has like a minty undertone to it. I don't see any differences in like what's on the front. So this says something interesting if you never read the bottle, the back of your conditioning bottle. It says that wait 3 to 5 minutes before you rinse your hair. So I would typically condition for like 10 minutes if I don't have a mask, and I don't have a mask in this line. So I'm gonna just put this on my hair for like 10 minutes. Use at your own discretion. Okay, and then next we have, actually let's do this next. So y'all know I love my pumps, and this is a locking coconut curls air dry cream. So does it increase my drying time? Just asking for a friend. So this is a no blow dry needed. Strands air dry soft with coconut oil and shea butter. I love my shea butter. And then it says this creamy blend helps curls hold bounce without crunch. That's very important. Nobody wants any country curls. So I'm gonna see if it's any special directions on the back. No, you know, just small amount. Rub hands together, apply evenly. Blah, 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 blah. Nothing special, like no steam or anything like that. So then we have this. This is a Hydrating Repair Argan Oil of Morocco Creamy Hair Butter. Leave in or rinse out. I wonder if there's going to be any residue left. I wonder. Any special instructions? No, but it is mineral oil in here. For those of you who care, I don't care. But it is mineral oil in here. And some form of alcohol. And some other stuff. Let's open it up. Let's see this. Hopefully this does not fall out. Okay, and it did not fall out. It smells really good. And it's like really creamy. Y'all see that? Creamy, creamy, creamy. Let's just put that up there or something. And then last but not least is the finishing mist. So this is a locking and coconut curls finishing mist. It's soft holds without crunch. Yes, please. With coconut oil and jasmine extract. Ooh, jasmine. Curls hold bounce without any stickiness. So only thing weird is like on here. Okay, now I have like white stuff just sitting in my hair. Y'all didn't tell me. On here is a number 2. So usually I only see number 2 or numbers down there, period, if it's like a multi-step process. I mean, it's a finishing spray, so of course I'm going to use it last. But other than that, any special instructions? It says finish curly styles by spraying this product 8 to 10 inches away from strands. Now, be honest. How many people would be like, just be like up close and personal? Anyway, y'all, those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products we got. Let me hold them up for us so we can see. We got all of these this month. Y'all see it? Okay, bad display, I know, but whatever. I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair, and I'm gonna make a quick video, maybe to let you know how the braid out came out, how long my ear time was, and all that I gotta. But y'all, have a happy new year. This is a great start to our year with Curlbox, and make sure you hit subscribe. See ya.